Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday, September the 18th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku. And this will be a number 1559. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, digits. The previous one for the 1 star has 27 printed digits. The 2-star Sudoku, I think 26, but let me count. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 9. Plus 5 is 14, plus 4 is equal to 18, plus 4 is 22, 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. Yes, correct. So, let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? The number. In this big square, 4 missing numbers across. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. In this column, middle column, we have a 2 and an 8 here, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 2 and 8. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see if I can. 3, 3, 4. Yes, we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have already a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 8. Alright. So the 5 goes there, the 3, 7, 7. Alright. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark them for you, 3 and the 7. Can we do this again? How about 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There a 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2, 4, 8. Alright. We have 8, 3, 3. 9, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then And these three missing numbers in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8, I cannot fill this yet, but those are, this is a pair in one big square, so I mark those for you. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 1. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1. No. Yes, 1 we have here, 1. 1 should be in those 2 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 8 should be also here. 8, 8. I need one number here. 7, 7. Alright. Let me continue with another digit. 5, 5. Alright. 3, 1, 1. 8, 8. Yes. So we need an 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this column. The third column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 3, 3, 2, 8, 3, 8, 2, and the 7. I need a 7. Yes. 3, 7, and 2. The 2 should be here. 2 there. Alright. 9. Let me see. These 3 missing numbers. Can I fill this yet? The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. We see here 2. 1, 2, and 5 is missing. Yes, we have a pair, the 2 and a 5. We see here the 2 and the 5 in this big square, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair in a big square, so one digit left should be the 1. Alright, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. The 8 in the last row, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. Here's an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last row for the number 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. How about those 3 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, alright. And how about the 1? And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, alright. And how about the 8? No, the 8 I cannot finish yet. I need a 6. 6, 5, 6, 5, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. The second row, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. So in this big square, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is also missing. 2 and a 7, and the 8 should be here. Yes, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 8. We see here the 2 and the 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 7, that means 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this can be an 8 and more. This should be a 6, and this should be an 8. 1 box left in the first column for the number 4. No, 4 we have. 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. 1 box left in the second column for the number 6. Yes, 6 is missing here. Alright. Those 2 boxes in this big square, the 2 and the 3, I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair. I mark them for you, 2 and a 3. These 2 boxes in the second row, those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a number 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. 1 number left in the first row for the number 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 number left in the last column for the number 2. Then now we have a number 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. 7 and 2, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. A 3 stars Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.